In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a line or lines in Google Slides. So if you want to insert a line on any of your slides, then let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So I like to go ahead and draw a line just like this on top here. To do this, it's quite simple. Just head over to insert here and then click on it. Under this, you'll see we have this option called line, and from here choose this option line. Now go where you want to draw the line or insert the line, then go ahead and draw it. So make sure it is straight, and I can leave it at that. So if you feel it is too long, you can reduce it. If you feel it is not straight, you can change the dimension just to make it more straight. So you can see this is not straight, so I'll move it up like that, and here we go. But the problem is this line is not thick, it is too thin. To increase the thickness of this line, just go ahead and click on it, and then you will see this option line weight, this one. So if you click on line weight, you can go ahead and increase this even times 3. And now if I click outside, you can see the line is thicker, and you can also increase further if you wish. So you can make it even times 4, and you can see the thickness has increased. Should you want to change the color, you can just click on it and then come to this line color here and click on it and change the color of your line, and you can see I have just changed. So that's how you can draw lines or insert a line in your slides in Google Slide. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.